I sit and wonder at the world tonight. I never know how it will be. We see it all in black and white and painted all so reasonably.
Hi all, it's Tapatya, I'm Tony, you might know that. The thrust this week has been the foredeck. So there were several things that needed doing. The anchor box needed building, completing, a couple of fillets of epoxy needed putting around, a bit of prep work here and there. And we've pushed on with that. I'm now in the process of painting the foredeck, so there's 3 coats on as I talk to you right now, and progress is being made. Let's have a look. This one is something like that. Right there. That angle there. Could just put it on the clips, couldn't I, to start with? All looking a bit dusty. Going to knock up a bit of filler. Yeah, this epoxy, easily sandable, light epoxy filler that I mentioned last week. 2 to 1. Roughly, I'm going to have a little mix up here. I'm going to try and get a uniform colour, and then you know it's mixed. Nothing particularly difficult about it. Good, isn't it? Get that all into the same place with a bit of fluff there. Yes, yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, it's fine. Good, let's go to the forward deck. So, I sanded this, you know, spent several hours sanding it, and what you'll notice is that the bulk of the deck has actually come up perfectly flat, if we're honest. Perfect. It doesn't need any filling here. What we do get, Hazel, if you could just show that, is this is a joint in the cloth where 2 bits of cloth overlap, so there needs a little bit of filler there. A couple of dips by the nails, perhaps a little bit on the board joints here. Those sort of things, and where we've got tape around the corner, so that needs a little touch of filler. So, I'm going to go for that. And nice wide spreader, and then it's really, there's no great skill involved. Just put some on and you know.
Take it off again.
Take it off again, exactly. Just leaving the dips being filled. So that it just needs the merest flick with a sander afterwards to. Good, that looks good, that looks good. To get it flat, let's come through here. It's a good film down that way, because what you don't want to be doing is you know, spending hours sanding off a load of filler that you didn't need to put on. So that's that cloth joint done. A little bit there maybe. Because you can see quite clearly where anything's low. So that's all good there. Now what you do have to do is try not to kneel in the bit that you just filled. So come along here. I suspect I mixed up too much filler. There we go. Looks pretty good. Good. Okay. So we've got another cloth joint down here. The other side, basically speaking, which we need to run down. It's taking the merest smear of filler.
Well, this is the box for the anchor chain, isn't it?
Yeah, anchor box. Yeah.
Anchor box. Cool.
Anchor chain box correctly, I suppose, yes. Yeah, it's come out well, hasn't it? Looks nice and solid.
Yeah. It does. Wow. That can withstand a storm. I just tested it.
Alright, very good. It feels really solid.
Yeah. Looks solid. And it's even got scuppers.
Got what? Scuppers, yeah, it is. Yeah. Scuppers. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, or as I say most weeks, hit that old subscribe button please. And I'm going to leave you with a few scenes of paint going on the foredeck. See you next time. Bye.